Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. We are back at Crystal's house today and she had lost a bet, so she is doing a recipe with pepperoni, which is called Italian rice. So what is our first step?
I don't really eat bread, so this is my version of Italian rice.
Yes. Alright, so let's get started.
Okay, you see that rice?
Yep.
You just put that in the casserole dish.
We have some white rice here that Birgit kindly cooked for us.
Thank you, Birgit.
You're welcome.
And it will make a nice bottom layer for our casserole.
Yes, it will.
Just spread it out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's looking good.
Yep.
What's next?
I'll say that's looking good. And next is my favorite, pepperoni layer.
Pepperoni. We have some 4th head pepperoni today.
Just crumble that.
Crumble that.
That's looking good, if you ask me.
Yeah, it is.
I say that's looking real good.
A little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
For a nice hearty layer there.
Oh yeah.
We love pepperoni, right?
Who doesn't? Am I right?
Yeah, really. All right.
Well, I suppose if you're vegetarian.
Well, yeah, true. All right, a nice pepperoni layer.
Okay, now we are going to take. You see those mushrooms?
Yep.
Sorry, Mommy. I know how you feel about mushrooms.
Watch this spoon here. We have some mushrooms here that Birgit also helped us prepare. They're just fried in a little butter with some pepper, black ground pepper to season them up a little.
Yeah.
And we will add them to the casserole.
Sorry, Mommy. I know how you feel about mushrooms, but I love them.
Now, it's almost like a pepperoni and mushroom pizza, but on rice.
Yeah. That's kind of what I was going for.
All right, so a nice mushroom layer. What is next?
The Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce. I love Alfredo sauce.
I know you do. I think you actually used it in one of your recipes.
Yeah, I might have.
Yeah, I think you did with I think it was something with prime rib, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, I might have done, I think I did a beef stroganoff recipe.
Yeah, I think
that's
that's what it was.
All right. A nice layer of that.
Yep.
This is looking really yummy.
Is that the rest of it?
Yep. All right.
You used the whole jar?
Yes, I did.
Cool.
Shall we add some cheese?
Yes.
We have some shredded cheddar cheese.
I would say use the rest of it.
Okay.
Because I love cheese.
Yeah, me too.
You can never go wrong with cheese. And I think Rachel would agree with us.
Yep. All right, a nice layer of cheese, and that is looking really good. All right, so we have our oven, which is preheated at, what was it?
375.
375, and how long should we cook this for?
I'm going to say 30 minutes.
30 minutes. All right. And we will be right back. All right, so we covered it with tin foil, or if you have a lid with a lid for your dish, that works too. and we baked it for 30 minutes and it is done. It's all melty and delicious looking, and we are getting ready to cut into it. Alright, you can see how melty and ooey gooey it is. It looks delicious, and we are ready to taste it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.